Yes, and we are back again with another video, and today we are off to Lowestoft Town versus Maldon and Tiptree. And yes, it is a bit of an odd name, but it is actually a place, Maldon in Essex. Today, what do you think the score will be?
Hello everyone, we're back again. After last week's stunning result with Lowestoft, and it was a stunning result, 4-0, because actually Corby, during the week, Liam, ended up beating Rugby 6-0. So I think that shows just how well Lowestoft played last week. So we're going to go with another Lowestoft win. I'm certainly going for a 3-1 today for Lowestoft. And this could be the second game of a 3-game trilogy, couldn't it? Because we might be off to see them in the FA Cup next week, but we'll see how the week goes.
See what it brings. I mean, Corby obviously got a bit of a after last week.
I think they probably did. Yeah,
because I mean they weren't great, but they're not even a bad side, Corby. So Lowestoft are in pretty good form. On the other hand, Maldon and Tiptree drew their first game against Felixstowe. What's not a bad result, but they're a bit of a mid-table side. So I think they won't be easy because they're from Essex, so they might be a bit hard to break down. But I think Lowestoft will win it. I think it'll be a 3-1 as well.
3-1 it is today, so we will see you
in there. Here at Lowestoft, got a cheeseburger. That's a proper football burger here. Very good. Put the leaderboard up. I've already done these. I think there are 7, but they're good. Here in Lowestoft, and I think this might be called off or abandoned because it's so wet. The ball's not bouncing, and they've gone in currently. Obviously, going to check it, but we'll see. Here at Lowestoft, as it stands, it looks like the game is on, but we'll see. It looks like it's going to be on, but I don't really know at this current point in time. Could you believe it? After all of that, the game is on, and we are back live, but still 13 minutes left of this half, and there is a massive storm cloud right above me, and it's coming. So I don't know if it will play the full 90, but we just have to wait and see, won't we?
On the way, the ball, in the middle,
Half time here at Lowestoft, currently 2-0 to Lowestoft. They've been the better side. Maldon haven't really shown any chances, and they need to do more second half if they want to get back in it.
The ball, yo! Up and win! Yes, away we go! Yes, away! Oh, it's got me! Yes, away we go!
Full time outside Lowestoft's ground, or not actually outside, we are inside, but you can see Lowestoft's ground ended 2-0 to Lowestoft. And I mean, the second half, Lowestoft weren't amazing, but they just done what they needed to do to win the game, get the points up, get up the table. I mean, for Maldon's side, they didn't really create enough chances. If they wanted to sort of get in the game and win it, they had to create some more chances. But Lowestoft overall, another good performance. They're in good form, and they've got to roll on to Canvey in the FA Cup next week. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bosh!